Thanks for taking a minute to look at this brief video of the Cabinet Books module. Books allows us to connect our safe document management system to your QuickBooks company file. In this example, I have a stack of invoices that I've scanned into Books. I have selected the QuickBooks entry and bill entry to get this transaction entry form. So my image is in the middle of the screen. I can start filling in my transaction data. In this case, the vendor is Timberloft Lumber. So as I start typing, you'll see that we type ahead because we're connected to the QuickBooks company file, and we can pick that vendor. I also have pre-fill turned on so that the rest of the transaction data is automatically filled in just as if you were entering it into QuickBooks. If this information is good, I can simply click on Add Bill and File. We have a check built in that will tell us that there is a QuickBooks item with that reference number for this vendor already, so you may not want to re-enter it, but in this case we'll click yes, and the transaction goes to QuickBooks and the image goes into Safe. So notice that thumbnail comes out of your stack and it takes you to your next transaction, and you can type WA and you can see there's that vendor, and again it pre-fills. Of course, you could change the reference number, the amount, or whatever you need to change on this transaction. Again, add bill and file. The transaction goes to QuickBooks. The image goes to Safe. And that's really all there is to it. That's the way most of our customers use the software. We also have some other capabilities. You can add payments from customers, credit card receipts, you can do purchase order entry, and even scan and attach miscellaneous documents through the Books interface. We also have some workflow built in, so if you want to route documents using the Safe system, you can actually turn that on, and as you enter transactions, those documents can be routed to other users in Safe based on dollar amount, vendor name, or any other criteria that you may establish. And you can see that if I go into Safe and look at Timberloft Lumber, we'll now be able to go take a look at that invoice. I'm just going to open their folder, and you can see there's the bill that was filed with the transaction information that we entered today. And if I go look in QuickBooks real quick, you can see the transactions that were entered as we went through this demonstration. So that concludes this brief video. Please contact us and we'd be happy to discuss this more. Thank you.